give Chloe credit.
Chloe, you are so awesome to let these little chicks whom you just met today, like, kind of totally nest on you. And you don't even care. Because you can say, there are birds on me. Oh, can't you see? There's birds on me. I can't tell if there's 1 or 2 or 10 or 3. I'm not a motor bus. Something about a fuss. I don't know the words. Because that was back in the 70s. So, there's bird on me. Cool. Chloe, awesome. Definitely. Chloe. Can you look at me?
Chloe.
Oh, there you go. Oh, don't knock over the birds. Good girl.